Emily, what should we play? It's really boring. I know! Emily! Emily, this tent is mine. Go find another tent. This is my tent.
Okay, I know.
Okay. Bye. What? I got one too.
No, it's mine.
What? Oh, I'm stuck. Emily, help me.
No,
Please. Please, just give me one.
no, it's mine.
Oh, I'm stuck. Please help me.
No.
Well, I guess I'm going to be a Peppa Pig for the rest of my life. I know, Emily. Let's see if the other bus fits. This one's always last. Whoa, it can just fit. It just.
Let's see.
I forgot there was a hole there. Okay, one more try. The school buses keep on moving. Guys, I'm gonna do a magic trick. Wait, Emily, can you get out and hold it for me, please? Emily, get out and hold it for me. Hold the school bus. The wheels in the bus go round and round. Ah! Safe, I'm safe. Emily, let's crash together in 3, 2, 1.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked it. Bye. Bye. This is my car. Oh, baby. Do you want to make you an ice cream? Come on. Please. Which one, baby? Huh? Which one? Chocolate? Can please have the chocolate? Which one? The chocolate one. Okay. Do you like my kitty? Bye. Come on, let's go out. You baby. This is my baby. My baby kitty.